Online quiz on history of modern India. Enter email address. Enter name. Enter institution. Enter department. Enter designation. Enter gender. Question 1. When and whom did Sir Charles Napier replaces as the British resident in Sindh? Answer C. 1842 Major James Outram. Question 2. Who confessed the defeats of many volleys and Braithwaites will not destroy them? I can ruin their resources by land but I cannot dry up the sea. Answer A. Hyder Ali. Question 3. Who captured and executed Siraj ud Daulah after the Battle of Plassey? Answer A. Miran, son of Mir Jafar. Question 4. Where did so-called Black Hole tragedy take place? Answer B. Calcutta. Question 5. Who was the Maratha Sardar to whom Alaiwadi Khan ceded the revenues of a part of Orissa? Answer A. Raghuji Bhonsle. Question 6. Who was the author of the Siyar-ul-Mutakallim, a contemporary historical account? Answer A. Ghulam Hussain. Question 7. Who was the president of the Council of Fort William established in 1707? Answer A. Sir Charles Eyrecourt. Question 8. Who was the responsible for the establishment of the College of Fort William at Calcutta to train young civil servants of India? Answer A. Wellesley. Question 9. When did the British make the English the medium of instruction in India? Answer C. 1835. Question 10. Who was the first to attempt decentralization of financial administration? Answer B. New. Question 11. Which act created the first official legislature in India? Answer B. Charter Act of 1853. Question 12. The British continued with the downward filtration theory till 1854 to justify one of their colonial policies in India. Pick it out from the following. Answer B. Educational policy. Question 13. During which period did India properly witness the process of deindustrialization due to British economic policies? Answer C. 1813-1860. Question 14. Who was mainly responsible for the introduction of the Rayatwari system in Madras? Answer B. Thomas Munro. Question 15. Warren Hastings' experiment of auctioning the right to collect revenue to the highest bidder is almost similar to. Answer B. Ijara system of the Mughals. Question 16. Jyotin Duncan founded at Sanskrit College in 1792 at. Answer B. Varanasi. Question 17. Who among the following gave official sanction to the education of girls in India? Answer A. Dalhousie. Question 18. When did Indian universities assume teaching function? Answer B. 1904. Question 19. Which act was the responsible for the ultimate death of the presidency system? Answer B. Charter Act of 1833. Question 20. Who was the leader of the English mission sent to the Mughal court in 1715 which succeeded in getting the Firman of 1717 granted from the Mughal Emperor, Farrukh Siyar? Answer D. John Sirman.